Well, hi nail babes and hi nail friends. I am just coming to you with this very quick video just to show you my little Swarovski haul that I got at Hobby Lobby. They are significantly reducing a lot of their Swarovski crystals. Okay, now you may see a couple of different colors. You see some in the gray packets and you see some in the black packets. The gray packets are the ones that say are supposed to be glue on that you can use for nails, and the other ones are supposed to be hot fix crystals that you use with some type of heating source. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have never had a problem with using the hot fix crystals as long as I have sunk them into my combination of gel and top coat. So if you have wanted to ever get yourself some Swarovski crystals or to stock up on your collection, now is the time. So as you see, I've gotten stuff as inexpensively as $1.24 a pack, which I actually needed these. I think these are SS 16 white opals, and you can see all the different colors like peridot. You can see tanzanite. Let me see, what color are these? These are tangerine, lyceum. You also have some blue zircon shimmer. You have silk shimmer, which are actually some of my very favorite colors to use. And then you also have some colors like the crystal scarabus green. So if you, and then of course danglies for the nails. So these are just some little seahorses that I found. So if you have not got an opportunity to get some or want to get some, and you know, maybe it was out of your budget, now's the time.